Suppose we have a skateboarder that leaves a ramp that's inclined at 30 degrees with some speed that we're just told is VA. This is at point A. And they land a distance L horizontally, which we're told is 20 meters at point B. And this total height, we'll just call H, is 2 meters. And so we want to know, first off, what is the time of flight? So the easiest way to do this, because we have to also find the velocity, is notice that the displacement in the y direction is equal to negative h, and the displacement in the x direction is equal to L. And from our static kinematic equation, we can write this as, actually let's call this x. So this should be x times the tangent of the launch angle minus 1/2 g, and this will be x over VA squared times 1 plus the tangent squared.